This telescope is smarter than you. Celestron origin exposed. Astro nerds beware. Feeling lost in space? Or just in your backyard? You bought the best telescope, and still can't even find the moon without rage quitting. Hours fiddling with knobs, blurry blobs pretending to be planets, and apps that promise galaxies but deliver existential dread. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've been there. The struggle of chasing celestial beauty only to end up with crushed dreams and star maps that feel like IKEA instructions in Klingon. But before you sell your gear and settle for YouTube night skies, wait, there's a new cosmic sheriff in town. Let's be real, stargazing can feel like rocket science. Burnout is real when every quick look at Saturn turns into a 3-hour tech support nightmare. You're juggling mounts, manual focus, tracking alignment, firmware updates, weird cables, do shields bro, you're not building the James Webb Telescope. The excitement fades fast when your hobby starts feeling like homework. Opportunities to connect, capture, or share those once-in-a-lifetime celestial moments? Missed. Deadlines for Astro content? Blown. This isn't astronomy, this is survival. And it's killing your spark faster than a dead battery in the desert. Enter Celestron Origin, the telescope that basically does your job for you. Seriously. The Origin is like having your own astrophotography butler. Set it down, turn it on, connect the app, boom, the stars literally align. It focuses, aligns, locates, and shoots deep sky photos in real time, using AI so smart it makes Hubble jealous. With a Sony CMOS sensor slapped right on the RASA front and an ultra-fast f/2.2 ratio, you get instant nebula flex, no tweaking, no waiting. The thing even stacks your images automatically. Origin isn't a telescope, it's a celestial genie in a go-to bottle. Think. No stress, just space magic. With Origin's slick planetarium app and StarSense-powered setup, you'll go from backyard rookie to cosmic rockstar in under 2 minutes. Your Insta will drip with jaw-dropping galaxies and nebulae, without needing NASA credentials. Whether you're hosting backyard star parties or flexing on TikTok, this baby delivers. Share your sky live on your TV, collab with multiple users, stream it all. This isn't amateur hour anymore. Want to level up later? Tweak raw files, swap filters, get deep into the Astro game. Celestron Origin scales with you. Don't just wish upon a star, own it. Thousands of hobbyists are already ditching their dusty gear and joining the Origin revolution. Limited stock. High demand. Skies clear tonight, what are you waiting for? Stop fumbling in the dark and start capturing the universe like a boss. Whether you're a total noob or a jaded star vet, this is your shot to reboot the dream. Skip the pain. Grab the magic. Hit the link, grab your Origin, and see what the universe really looks like, with a smart telescope that finally gets you. Let's go cosmic.